You don't need a massive following or a fancy brand deal to start making real money online. Forget the gatekeepers. The creator economy has a powerful secret weapon, and it's something you can build this weekend: digital products. These are infinitely scalable assets. You create them once, and they can sell forever, generating passive income while you sleep, work, or even build your next big thing. All you need is a smart product and a simple plan. This isn't about building a complex software company. It's about finding a small, hungry audience and giving them exactly what they need in a format they can use immediately. The framework is beautifully simple. First, pick a tiny niche. Don't try to appeal to everyone. The riches are in the niches. Think smaller. Instead of fitness, think kettlebell workouts for remote workers. Instead of productivity, think time management for freelance writers. Then, solve one real specific problem for that niche. What's a recurring frustration they face? What's a tedious task you can simplify? Your product should be the direct answer to a question they're already asking. Next, create a simple product you can finish fast. Speed is your advantage. We're not building a magnum opus. We're creating a minimum viable product that delivers maximum value for its size. And finally, price it for impulse buys. We're talking about the sweet spot between $5 and $50. This makes the buying decision easy and frictionless. It's a no-brainer purchase that provides immediate value. So, what can you actually create? Let's break down 5 digital products that are printing money for creators right now. First up, the Humble Checklist. This is the simplest product to create but can be incredibly valuable. It takes a complex process and breaks it down into easy, actionable steps. It provides clarity and reduces overwhelm. For niches, think a new puppy survival checklist. For first-time dog owners, an SEO audit checklist for small business owners, or a podcast launch checklist for aspiring creators. To build it, you can use simple tools like Canva, Google Docs, or even Apple Pages. Just list the steps, add some clean branding, and export it as a PDF. For pricing, checklists are perfect as a lead magnet to grow your email list for free, or as a low-cost tripwire product priced between $5 and $15. A mini case study? A photographer creates a golden hour photo shoot checklist for amateurs. They offer it for $7 and it becomes the perfect entry point for customers who later buy their premium editing presets. Second, templates. Templates save people their most valuable resource: time. You do the hard design or structural work up front, and your customer just fills in the blanks. Niche examples are everywhere. Canva templates for Instagram Reels for social media managers, resume templates for tech industry applicants, or email templates for wedding photographers to send to clients. The tool stack is straightforward. Canva for graphic templates, Google Docs or Microsoft Word for text-based templates, or even Webflow for website templates. The key is to make them easily customizable. Pricing for templates can range from $15 for a simple set of social media graphics to over $100 for a comprehensive website template. A simple funnel. Offer a single free resume template as a lead magnet. The tripwire could be a pack of 5 templates for $19. The core offer? A complete career kit with resume templates, cover letter guides, and interview scripts for $49. Third on our list, the mini course. Forget 20-hour-long masterclasses. A mini course is a focused, high-impact learning experience that solves one problem in 60 to 90 minutes. It's all about delivering a quick win. Think a sourdough starter mini course that gets you from flour and water to a bubbly starter in 7 days. Or a Basics of DaVinci Resolve course that teaches just enough to edit a simple talking head video. Or your first 1,000 email subscribers for new bloggers. You can film this with your smartphone and edit it in a simple tool like CapCut or Descript, hosted on platforms like Gumroad or Podia. The goal is transformation, not just information. Price these between $37 and $97. A mini course is often the core offer itself. A creator might offer a free 5-day guitar chord challenge via email, which then leads to a sales page for their $47 acoustic guitar strumming patterns mini course. Number 4. Notion or spreadsheet systems. People are desperate for organization. If you can build a system that turns chaos into clarity, they will pay for it. This is about creating a pre-built digital environment. Niche examples include a freelancer's Notion hub with client tracking, project management, and invoicing, or a personal finance dashboard in Google Sheets that tracks budget, savings, and investments, or even a content creation system in Notion for YouTubers to plan, script, and schedule their videos. The tools are the product itself: Notion, Google Sheets, Airtable, or Excel. You're selling the structure and the workflow you've perfected. These systems can be priced from $25 for a simple tracker to $150+ for a complete second brain, Life OS. A case study. A student builds the ultimate university hub in Notion for tracking classes, assignments, and notes. They sell it for $29 and it goes viral on TikTok, becoming a go-to tool for students everywhere. And 5th, prompt packs and swipe files. This is about curating high-quality information and inspiration. You're saving people the time of research and the pain of staring at a blank page. Think 1,000 ChatGPT prompts for small business owners, a swipe file of high-converting sales emails, or 50 journal prompts for self-discovery. You're essentially selling curated genius. The creation process is research-intensive but technically simple. You'll use Google Docs or Notion to compile, categorize, and format your content, then export it as a PDF or share a link. Pricing can range from $10 for a small pack to $67 for a comprehensive library. A simple funnel: offer a free PDF of 10 killer ChatGPT prompts. Those who download it are then offered the full library of 1,000 prompts for a one-time price of $37. It's an easy upsell because they've already tasted the value. Okay, you've picked your product. Now, how do you launch it? The key is to keep it simple. Use one platform. Gumroad is fantastic for beginners. It's incredibly easy to set up a product page and handles payment and file delivery for you. Etsy is another great option, especially for templates and creative assets, as it has a built-in marketplace of buyers searching for solutions. Or, if you have one, your own email list is the most powerful platform of all, giving you a direct line to your most engaged followers. The point is, don't spread yourself thin. Pick one channel and master it. Next, launch to a handful of people. This isn't a big, splashy public launch. It's a quiet, private release to a small group of beta testers or your first 50 email subscribers. Your only goal here is to get feedback. What did they love? Where did they get stuck? What's missing? Use a simple Google form to ask them. Then, you tweak. You take that feedback and make your product 10% better. This iterative process is how you build something truly great. Once your product is validated, it's time to scale. Automate your sales with a simple email funnel. When someone downloads your free lead magnet, a pre-written sequence of emails should automatically nurture them and eventually pitch your paid product. As sales come in, reinvest a portion of the profits back into the business. This could mean running targeted ads on platforms like Instagram or Pinterest to drive more traffic to your lead magnet. Or reinvest profits into product upgrades. Use customer feedback to build a version 2.0 that you can sell at a higher price point, offering the upgrade at a discount to existing customers. This is how you scale. You create a system that attracts customers, delivers value, and funds its own growth. So what if you have no audience? No problem. The entire process starts with the product, not the audience. Solve a real problem. Ship your solution. Get feedback, iterate, and repeat. That's the formula. Now go build something.